Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a spring try-on haul. It is officially spring. It's still kind of rainy and cold, but the weather is gradually changing and I'm super excited. And I am going on vacation next month, so a lot of the clothes that I'm going to be showing you guys today are for my trip next month. So this video is not sponsored. All of the items that will be shown in this video I purchased with my own money. So I did a purchase from Boohoo, and I think Pretty Little Things and Missguided. And I have a lot of items, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into this video. So this first item is a slime green. Oh, I'm starting with the items that I got from Missguided. So this first item is a slime green bandeau mini bandage dress. This is in a size 6. Most of the items that I got are a 6 to 8 or a medium. I'm still in between sizes right now. Like some 8s are too big, but then some 6s are too small. And this right here is a 6, and it is pretty snug. I don't think they had it in the 8, and so I ended up getting the 6. And I mean, it's cute, but since it's bandage, it naturally has that like really tight material, so it's definitely has me bandaged in. But I love this color. Super cute with like a little strappy heel. Ooh. Next item. Right, so the next item is this cut out mini dress. So it's just simple black dress. It has the cutout piece in the middle, banded top. Even though it's springtime, I still love black. I love me a nice black dress. You cannot go wrong with any black item. So yeah, this is super cute. Again, a nice little cute strappy heel and super comfortable. This is in a size 8. I think it's a UK 12, so it's a US 8. Yeah, this is dress number 2. Alright. So this next piece, I don't really know how I feel about it. Online, it looked, am I ashy? Excuse me if I'm ashy, y'all. It's the end of the day and it's been a long day. Online, this dress looked super cute. I'm going to try to find a picture to insert it. I definitely need different undergarments. I have on my Spanx and they're like shorts, so it's supposed to show a little thigh action. But I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't look as cute as on me as it did on the model. But yeah. I feel like once I get like dressed up, it'll like come together. But how I'm looking at it now, I'm not crazy about it. Yeah, this was like one of my favorite items that I purchased. But I'm kind of iffy about it now that I've tried it on. But this is in a size 6 as well. So I bought just a few casual pieces like t-shirts, biker shorts, mainly just for when I'm like walking around the resort or, you know, just want to be casual, like for excursions and stuff. So I have these black biker shorts. They're kind of whatever. They have the mesh paneling. Then this t-shirt as well is just a simple black v-neck, and when they're v-neck and super slouchy like this, I personally like to just kind of pull mine off my shoulder. So yeah, this is one of my little casual pieces that I purchased. This t-shirt is just another little crop t-shirt that I purchased, again to go with like biker shorts, just little casual stuff. This t-shirt is super cute. This would be cute with like some high-waist denim jeans. It has a really deep v-neck and it's kind of like tied in the front. But yeah, this is super cute. Alright, and the last item that I got from Missguided is actually this swimsuit. It's like lemons and it's like cut out under the boob and it's super like high V-cut. Yeah, so I got this. I will not be trying this on, but yeah, I definitely wanted to show you guys. I'll try to insert a picture so you guys can see like how it looks on the model. But yeah, this is super cute, and I can't wait to be on somebody's beach or somebody's pool with this on. Those are all my items from Missguided. Now I think I'm going to go to my Pretty Little Thing purchase. So the first item from Pretty Little Thing, they are these beach swimsuit cover-up shorts in this yellow color, and I purchased these to go with this swimsuit here. So just a little shorts as a little cover-up, but I think this combination is super cute. The next item are these denim shorts, which I love. They are super distressed, and it's like higher distress cut in the front, and in the back they're a little longer. These are in a size 6. It's like real coochie cutters right now, and yeah, they cute though. But yeah, I really like these denim shorts. I'm really ready for something now. Alright, so this next piece is a romper. It has the fringe in the front, which I love. I love the color, but it's completely, it's backless. And yeah, when I seen this, I was like, oh, this is super cute. I think I would pair this with like a color block heel. So like, I don't know, just a really colorful heel, but a different color from the romper. Something really vibrant and cute, with like a cute colorful clutch or something. Yeah, putting these outfits together, but I love this piece, y'all. Alright, so I'm really trying really hard not to flash you guys right now. I was really excited about this dress. It's super cute, but it's like a little more revealing than I anticipated. The cut is very deep, and then the way that this material is set up is kind of like stretchy. So like the material just kind of naturally slides off of my boobs. So I'm gonna need some tape for sure, and I'm also considering like just stitching this to close it up a little more, so that it doesn't fall off my boobs. But other than that, it's like super cute. The sleeves are kind of flared. It has a really high slit. It's a super sexy piece, you know. I just had to send my man a picture of me in this dress, but yeah, it's giving me a few issues, so I'm definitely gonna have to work with this dress to make sure that it's wearable, because how it is now is definitely not wearable. But I do like this dress. It's in a 6, if I didn't say that already. Alright, and my last item from Pretty Little Things are these pants here. They're actually like beach pants, so they're like a sheer type of material. They are a little snug. They're in a size 6. It's a little tight on my waist, but another thing is like the inseam, it feels like it's a little off. Like, I don't know, the inseam, I feel like it's like bunching right here, but then it's also cutting me a little bit. Yeah, I thought I would like these more as well, but they're cute. Yeah. Alright, so the next group of clothing is from Boohoo, and the first item is definitely a no. So they are these black denim shorts, and I cannot fit them. I think I got them in a size 6. I should have got at least an 8. Secondly, I don't even like the cut of them. When I was looking in the mirror, I don't like the way my butt looks in them. I don't know. Boohoo sizing can be really hit or miss, but at the same time, they are black denim. Normally when you buy black anything, I guess the dye in it already makes it a little snugger. So I definitely was tripping when I got these, and I should have went up. Like, I can't even halfway squeeze into these. Alright, so the next piece is this 2-piece pants outfit, and this is super comfortable. The pants have high slits on the side, on both sides. Has like a little elastic band in the waist. This is in a size small, and the pants and the top fit really well. I also tried on the pants with that cropped white top that I had on earlier, and it looks super cute with that as well. I know that these pants are gonna get worn a lot this spring and summer. So yeah, this is a really cute, casual, comfy outfit. Alright, so the next item is a beach dress. It's in this red orange color. It's super cute, super flowy. Again, it has 2 splits on the side. And then the back is out. The fitting it's a medium. The fitting is cool. It's just, I don't know, like this little band here is a bit snug. This is for the beach, but I'd probably just wear it as a regular maxi dress with a pair of really cute sandals. The rest of the items that I got from Boohoo, they're all like real casual stuff. So I got this bodysuit. It's a backless bodysuit. And then just some like cute little shorts. I also got this bodysuit in a pink color. And this like green, tealish color. This green teal bodysuit would go really cute with those like tribal print beach pants that I showed you guys earlier. So that's definitely an option. And then like, I just like bodysuits, especially like spaghetti string bodysuits. You can always put them on with shorts, with jeans. You could put on a cute little sweater or something if it's still cold. But yeah, I always like having little bodysuits because you can literally pair them with anything. Also got, it is this leopard print so it is this it's like a high cut leopard print 2-piece. This is just like it's just small. It's just like a bandeau. What size is it? Little beach or swim cover pants to go with this here. So like I said, everything else is pretty casual. So I have these pink biker shorts and they have like the white stripe down the side. And then this t-shirt is another t-shirt that I just picked up. It's like an oversized boxy t-shirt. And then I also got the shorts in a green pair, and these are just really cute with like sneakers again, or some slides. Really casual, really comfortable. I also got a t-shirt in like a cream off-white color, and then I also got it in pink. And I also have some more biker shorts. So these biker shorts are just a gray pair, a simple gray pair. And then I also got them in black. So yeah, I'm not going to try all of this on just because it looks exactly like this. And the last item I got is actually a pair of pajamas. Satin short set. It has like ruffles at the bottom. And then just a little cami top. And that's all I have. Let me know what your favorite items were from this try on haul. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see more try on hauls for me. Don't forget to like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Definitely follow me on my social media pages. So Snatched by Sharmel on pretty much everything. So yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram so you can see all of these outfits come to life. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.